Hello everyone, let's start the videos. Make two ponytails, then take a smaller sections from the upside and add with the rubber band. Now make two sections out of it, roll it and attach it to the ponytail. Now make two sections of the ponytail, pull it inside out and then attach it on top of it and it's all done. For the next one, make two ponytails and then make a braid out of it. Now with the remaining hairs, make two sections and pull it inside out and make a cute little bow out of it and attach it with the help of a rubber band. Then make two braids out of it and then attach it on the top of the bow with the help of a rubber band as it is shown in the video, and it is all done. Accessorize it. For the next one, make the two ponytails and make two sections out of it. Now start braiding your hairs with the help of a smaller sections of the remaining hairs. Do it very nicely and gently by taking the smaller sections of the hairs from the top to the bottom. Now repeat the process as it will start looking like this, and it's all done. For the next one, take the smaller sections on the front side. Now make two sections out of it. Now from the one section, start braiding your hairs as shown in the video by taking the smaller sections of the hair on the one side only. Take the very smaller sections and fine sections as it is shown in the video. Repeat the process until it will come to the bottom and braid it very nicely. Now repeat the process on another side and then attach it both with the help of a rubber band as it is shown in the video. Now attach it on the top and it's done. For the next one, make small section and tie it with the rubber band. Now take a hair string and tie a hair string nicely and tightly. Then make the braid out of it nicely as it will look like this. Now make 4 braids out of it with the different colors and then bring it all together, make it into ponytail. Take the ponytail and make 4 braids out of it as it is shown in the video. Attach it to the ponytail, then make a braid out of it and make it into a bun, and it is all done. It is looking cute, right? For the next one, make a ponytail with the help of your hands and then take the bun maker and start rolling your hairs very nicely and gently and then cover it and attach it with the help of your hairs, and it is all done. For the next one in the video, take the small section of your hair and pull it inside out as it is shown in the video. Make 2 braids and it's done. Thanks for watching.